Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Fix up your argument. Remember, say me just play around 15 the angel a while ago. Which part in any one of them song there, you know hear dirty song? That is that me I say. Which part in any one of them song there, you know hear the derogatory music? All of them song there uplift, teach, inspire, and all these things. They went on to say, only Koffee alone as a dancehall artist sing good clean music. I beg to differ. I love Koffee, I love her music, I love what she's doing. But I've been doing clean music for over a decade now. I've been doing inspirational music for over a decade now. So what? I'm afraid to give me my credit. I'm afraid to give me my big up. I'm afraid to give me my ratings. My fans them worldwide know this. My fans them worldwide can attest to this. My music can attest to this. But what? I'm afraid to say, oh, in a dancehall, female artists them, the Angel and Koffee does clean music. But no, I can't say the Angel because what? I don't forgive people them credit where them deserve. I can't say the Angel because what? I don't teeth I drop out on the head. I don't tongue I go cut out, I go drop out on the mouth. If I say the Angel, if I call my name and give me the credit, I deserve it. But me I shed some light. That's why I come to shed some light on my music and shed some light on the truth. Because I'm not going to take that. I'm not going to take that. So to me, I'm not going to take them and beat down my music and when me stand for over 10 years now, I've been standing up for this.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, the person we just see a while ago is known as The Angel, and she's making comments towards a statement that she said she hear that says that Koffee is the only female Jamaican artist that is doing clean music. And you know Koffee is a new Jamaican dancehall artist. Well, she's been here for a while now, but you know she's young, same way. Now, with the comments that The Angel made towards the statement that she says she hear, some people says that The Angel envies Koffee Career. You know, the word envy in Jamaica would mean bad mind. And at the same time, some people says that The Angel is standing up for what she believes in. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to bear in mind that there is more to this video that I just show you. I just bring you this piece of the video to point out what is what, you know, which is the main focus point on the video that has been put out there on social media. And again, me just say that it is said that The Angel seems to envy Koffee Career. Some people on social media say so, and some people on social media says that she's only standing up for what she believes in. So now let me know what you think about this, viewers and subscribers, alright? Is it that she envies Koffee Career, or is it that she's standing up for what she believes in? You see what I say? And the statement is said that Koffee is the only female Jamaican dancehall artist that is doing clean music. So let me know what you think about The Angel response to that, alright? And you don't know me, just keep you up to date and posted like I said. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla, big up on yourself. You see?